Hiya, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I need to do throughout the week, but I also find some time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I have planned for today, Monday the 17th, up until Sunday the 23rd of August. It's going to be a funnier week this week. I would normally list my zones. I follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone method, and I usually list my zones, and then I have a compulsory clean that I have made a list of for myself that I follow as well throughout the week. But things are going to be a bit interchangeable this week. There's not going to be a lot of cleaning this week because I've got some other things that I have got to do. So really I'm just going to do the normal wash and dry Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Fold and pack is Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. So that's what I will be doing without a doubt. I've got to get dirty clothes out of the way, and I have to fold up and pack away clean clothes. I will be doing my food prep and cooking today. That's what I do on a Monday now, and on Tuesdays, from Tuesdays onwards, I do the beds, I bleach the bathroom, the kitchen and the toilet, and I will hoover and mop. So that's what I will be doing. It would have been, let's have a look now, zone 4, it would have been rugs and carpets, check for stains and stuff, clean down the chest of drawers, bedside tables, radiator covers, the sideboards, mantle, mirrors and window sills. But that's not happening this week. I have just finally got the new flooring for my spare room started, and it's looking really nice. So there's no more carpet in there, and what I have to do is this week spend most of the week putting things back into the room, but cleaning, wiping down and dusting what's necessary. You know, furniture builds up dust and stuff, so I will be doing all that once those go back in the room, or do it before they go back in the room. So I'll be doing that this week. I'll be pretty busy, and I don't want to exhaust myself, but definitely for Tuesdays onwards I will be doing the beds, bleaching the bathroom, kitchen and toilet, hoovering and mopping this week. My budgeting will continue Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and Thursday I usually have a little bit of ironing. It's movie night on Thursday, but I'm not even quite sure if that's going to happen. Movie night, I don't think I'm in the mood. I'm just in the mood to reorganize, get things back the way they were, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. So that's what I'm going to concentrate on. Saturday, it's a crafting day. I have to get some crafting in. I have to. Sunday's church. Monday and Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak, and Sunday I try and do a little manicure as well. Even though I don't paint my nails or anything, I do soak them nicely in some warm oil and give them a good filing down and clean. So that's what I do. I used to take a few laps around the recreational ground near home on a Sunday, but I stopped doing it on a Sunday. I do it Monday to Saturday now. I try and get 8 laps in a day, but if I can't get it done, it's just not going to happen, and I don't beat myself up about it. Archie, my multi-poo, he gets his walks from Monday to Sunday twice a day, so that gets done. And I think that is it for this week. I'm completely freestyling this week. I haven't got anything sort of like set in stone that I'm going to do. I'm just going to go with the flow. I'm not doing a deep dive or anything into it. And I want to continue with my DIY as well. I've been freshening up the house and stuff with a bit of paint here and there. So I will get that done this week as well. And it's just the reorganizing. I've had to take things out of the drawers and stuff and move furniture, so all that's going to be put back, and you know, so it's going to be very minimal, my cleaning. I do have Bible study on Tuesday, tomorrow evening at 8 p.m. I usually put that in my self-care planner. But I just thought I'd jot it down here. I'm off to the nurse on Wednesday for blood as well. And that is that for this week. This is an open collaboration. Anyone is free to join. All you have to do is upload your plans for the week, your chores, your things to do, appointments and all that good stuff, and upload it to hashtag plan fun get things done. And if you could just add me, I would really appreciate it, at Crafty Girl Chronicles. And that is it. I have used my washi tapes as I usually do, getting on really well, my washi tapes. And I've used some pretty flowers this week. The garden is still looking lovely with flowers, and also my front of house window boxes are lovely. Oh, the back as well are lovely. The window flowers on the windowsills are really nice as well. So that's why I chose to just brighten up my pages this week with some flowers. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.